Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Forms to Microsoft Forms. This is incredibly useful if you're switching between platforms or need to share forms across different ecosystems without rebuilding them from scratch. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials to access your Google Forms dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Forms section where you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Take a moment to locate and select the specific form you want to convert to Microsoft Forms. With your form open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three dotted lines, which is the menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Print. This might seem like an unusual step, but it's the method we'll use to export your form data in a format that Microsoft Forms can read. A print dialog window will pop up on your screen. Instead of actually printing, we're going to save this as a file. Click on Print, and you'll be prompted to enter a file name for your form. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify it later. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Your Google form is now saved and ready to be imported into Microsoft Forms. Next, open your web browser again and navigate to forms.office.com. Sign in to access your Microsoft Forms account. Once you're logged into your Microsoft Forms dashboard, look for the option labeled Quick Import. This feature is specifically designed to help you bring in forms from other platforms seamlessly. Click on Quick Import, and you'll see a few options appear. From these, select Upload from this device. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to the location where you saved your Google form earlier. Find and select that file. Then, click Open to proceed with the upload. After selecting your file, Microsoft Forms will ask you to choose between creating a form or a quiz. This step is important because it determines how your imported content will be structured and what features will be available. Make your selection based on how you intend to use the converted form. Once you've made your choice, Microsoft Forms will begin converting your file. This process might take a few moments depending on the complexity and length of your original Google form, so be patient while the system processes everything. When the conversion is complete, you'll see a button labeled Start Review. Click on it to examine your newly converted form. Before you share or deploy your form, it's always a good idea to test it. In the top toolbar, you'll find a Preview button. Click on this to see exactly how your form will appear to respondents and to ensure all questions, formatting, and logic carried over correctly during the conversion. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google form into a Microsoft form, making it compatible with the Microsoft ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.